Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all feeling really good. In today's video, I'm going to do a little bit of a house clean and a reset because I filmed this on a Sunday before the kids went back to school after the half term. So I just wanted to get my house feeling nice, clean and up together after the half term chaos. I absolutely love spending the holidays with my kids and having the slow days and some family fun days, but I was definitely ready for them to go back to school and get back to some kind of normal routine. So I've started in the kitchen and I'm just emptying out the dishwasher and then filling it back up with some things that are on the side. I wiped down the sides and then it was time to tackle the sink. There was coffee marks everywhere and it was just really bad. So I ended up rubbing some pink paste into the sink to loosen it up before going in with the Scrub Daddy and giving it a real good scrub down. After the sink was finished, I gave the floor a hoover and a mop. I'm using my Flash Speed mop here, which I absolutely love. The grout on this floor is going to need doing really soon. I do like to try and keep on top of it, but I haven't done it over the winter. So yeah, I need to tackle the grout and that is on my to-do list. And onto our dining area, and there was Play-Doh everywhere. The girls have been loving playing with the Play-Doh in the half term, but it was time to get it all away. I actually went through the basket and got rid of any of the Play-Doh bits that we didn't need anymore, or any old Play-Doh that was like drying up. There were some bits that had really dried and got squished into the table, so that was fun to get rid of. I tried to hoover up some of the loose bits and then it was time to go in with the flash and a cloth and really rub down the table and get it all off. And I just kept washing the cloth and rubbing again and just to try and get it all off really. After I cleaned the table, I gave it a hoover and a mop in that area, but I couldn't film that because my camera actually died at this point. But then the kitchen was finished and it felt nice and fresh and clean again. When I'm walking on a breeze, I got no enemies. Then I moved on into the living room. I put away a few toys and then I'm going to give everywhere in here a good dust down, a polish, and I will end in here with a hoover. Just a wind in the wings, yes sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. No, I won't come down. I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind to There were some food marks from the toddlers or some snot or something on this wall, so I gave that a good wipe down. I saw the eyes of the maker, heard a rushing sound, caught up in the wheel going round and round, spun like gold from the shining ground. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. Moving into the bedroom, and I'm just going to give everywhere a dust and a polish once again and hoover this room. No one knows when the bells go ring. No one Moving into my twin toddlers' room now, I'm just going to pop away a few things that they have on the side here back into their wardrobe, and then I'm just going to give this room a good clean down.
Spring is in the air like a drum snare, buds are bursting. Beautiful green, it's like a love scene with waves of flirting. Seasons change us. Maybe it's just me and mine, we're thunder.
And I'm just going to clean up the girls' doll's house. I absolutely love this doll's house. This is the current perfect space for it in the baby's room, because I don't like keeping it downstairs because the babies will play with it and mess around with it, whereas they are never upstairs on their own, so they don't ever touch it when it's in their room, because they're just never in here on their room unless they are in their cots. And then I just went on to freshen up our changing bag, so get rid of any crumbs in there. I disinfected it all and just repacked it with a few bits so it's ready to use when I next need it.
Piano playing, wind chimes swaying. I'm longing for summer nights down by the ocean. High emotion, legs covered in mosquito bites. Oh, seasons change.
In the older girl's bedroom now, and I'm just going to do the same thing as I have done everywhere else. I'm also just going to straighten out the bed that I'm on here. This doesn't even get slept in because it is my 3-year-old daughter's bed, but she is currently still in our bed. And yeah, I'm not sure when she's going to move into her bed, but it's ready for her when she needs it. But I just need to straighten up because the kids do end up jumping on it.
To beg pardon. No need to beg pardon from me. Maybe it's just me and mine, where thunder has had its way. When kindness is portrayed as blind, glitter to the rays. Oh, no need to beg pardon. Oh, no need to beg pardon. Oh,
And then we are just going to finish off in the playroom. So the playroom will need a good deep clean, but this was just a quick reset today as I was running out of time. So yeah, quick reset, put away some of the toys and also give it a hoover and a mop.
oh, no need to beg pardon. Oh, no need to beg pardon from me.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this dark.
Then after I mopped the floor, I moved the play mat back in here and I'm just wiping it down with some spray and a wet cloth. And then that is going to bring me to the end of this video. So I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. I am so happy that my house feels nice and clean and reset now, ready for a new week. And I will see you hopefully in my next video.